Good morning. Today I have this beautiful 2022 Volvo XC60 B5 all-wheel drive with the white exterior color and the amber brown Napa leather with the heated cooling seats, heated steering wheel, heated seats in the back with the digital panel. Let me do a quick walk around on this car. It has 34,000 miles, 830. Available at Volvo Cars of Myrtle Beach. This is a one owner car, clean Carfax. This is of course top of the line. Trim level, no accidents, no dings, no scratches. Very beautiful car. Does have the wave under the bumper to open the trunk. Underneath here you're gonna have your spare tire and your toolkit. Very clean car. It does have the split seats in the back. You can fold one side, which is the 40%. You can fold the 60%, or you can open this up and have a pass-through. In the back here you're gonna have USB-C chargers, digital control panel for the heated seats and the AC. Sunroof opens up. It has a black curtain, two-tone color interior with a leather dashboard and heads-up display. Hey Google, and it's a Google software optimization. It has 360 camera and a little foot extender right here. You can extend that from this side, right? And open it up like that. Have a little extender for the longer travel. You can also close the trunk from here. You can close it with the remote control. Heated cooling, heated steering wheel. Very nice car with the beautiful brown wood trim. And here you're gonna have your USB-C chargers. You also have wireless charger and 12V, and this beautiful crystal knob. If anybody's interested in this beautiful Volvo, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here every day except Sunday. Be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Also, if you'd like to schedule for a test drive, I'm available from 9 to 7 every day except Saturday. I'm here from 9 to 6. This is the easiest car to drive. Volvo have made it super smooth to drive. And you also have two feelings on the steering wheel. You can make it soft or firm. Perfect. This is how you put your emergency brake on. Put the gear in park. And to turn off the car, you switch to the right. Thanks a lot. Again, this was Maher at Volvo Cars Myrtle Beach. If you have any questions or you want to schedule a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact me. Have a wonderful day.